Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make these macrame ornaments. You will need ribbon, little bells, wooden or plastic rings, a toothbrush and a comb, macrame cord, fabric stiffener spray, scissors, and a needle and some white thread. First, cut a piece of ribbon and attach it to the ring using a lark's head knot. Next, measure and cut out 15 pieces of macrame cord, and I'm measuring mine to about 13 inches. And if you don't have thinner macrame cord, you can just get the thicker kind and then just unravel it. Take one piece of the cord and fold it in half, and then attach it to the ring using a lark's head knot. Attach all the other cords to the ring. Once you're done, flip over the ring so that all the knots are showing. The pattern that we're doing is going to be using 3 sections of the cord, so just separate it out and you can put something heavy on top to help it stay or use a clipboard. The first knot that we are going to do is a square knot. So take the 4 middle strings, and you want to take the very left string and place it over the 2 middle strings, and then take the right string over top of the other one, and then you bring it underneath the middle 2 strings through the loop. For the second part of the square knot, you're going to be doing the same thing, but on the opposite side so that it doesn't twist. So you take the right string and place it over the 2 middle strings, and make sure the left string is over top of that right string, and then bring it up through the loop and pull. The next knot that we're doing is a double half hitch knot, and we're going to be using just the left 3 strings first. So you want to take the very left string and put it over the other 2, and then take the middle string, place it over top of that left string, and wrap it underneath through the loop and pull. So you're basically tying a knot around that string, and just make sure you pull it tight. And then you want to do the same thing and tie another knot. Tie another double half hitch knot around the next string. And so you want to make sure that that very left string is still over top. And then you take that string and put it over top of that left string, and then underneath and up through the loop and pull. For the right side, we are going to be doing the same exact thing, but it's just going to be in opposite direction. So you want to take the very right cord and place it over top the other 2. And then take that middle cord and put it over top of that very right cord. And then put it up through the loop and pull. And then do another one of those knots to complete the double half hitch knot. Do another double half hitch knot on the next string. The last step is to take the two middle strings, and we're going to be doing a double half hitch knot between those. So take the right strand over the left strand, and then we're tying the knot with the left strand. So you place that over top and bring it up underneath and through the loop. Now you completed one of the points, so just repeat all those steps to create the 4 other points. Once you're done, trim all the cords shorter. Now take a comb and brush out the ends. This step is optional, but it definitely makes a big difference. So I'm just spraying the macrame with some fabric stiffener spray and brushing it out with a toothbrush. Once it's dry, trim the strings shorter, and you can do any length that you want. After, you can spray some more of the fabric stiffener spray and brush it out. Once it's dry, you can add the bells. So I'm taking some white thread and a needle, and I'm going through the back side of the macrame on the end of one of the points and just poking it up through. Add a bell onto the thread and then flip the macrame over. So we're going to be tying the knots in the back so that you don't see them. And you can tie either a double knot or do 3 knots. I ended up doing 3 knots, and you can always add a little bit of glue on the knot too to make sure it stays. Trim the ends of the thread, and then you're finished. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and thanks for watching.